Okay, this is the hotel, Imperial Palace Hotel. We stay in Amman, city of Jordan. Okay, let's go in. Through the scanner. This is the reception. This is our friend. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Son, our friend.
Hi.
Okay. Okay, I'm going up using the elevator. It's a glass elevator. Okay. This is the elevator. It's a glass elevator. Can overlook. Ours is a 4th floor. 4th floor. Unit 414. Okay, the elevator is overlooking the main lobby. It's the main lobby. Can you see that? Beautiful chandelier. Okay, yeah, I'm reaching at the 4th floor. Okay, this is the room 414. Okay, so also this is the bed. This is the room. It's a joining room. It's a joining room, and the view is looking at the main road. Okay.
Where you just now?
Just now I was at the ground floor.
Over there.
This is our bus. Okay. That's all. Okay.